Hello, today we will guide you through how to visualize data in Qualtrics. To get started, open your survey in Qualtrics and make sure you're on the Edit Survey page. This is the starting point where your survey content is managed, and from here you can move into reporting to begin visualizing your response data. At the top of the screen, click on Reports. This takes you out of the survey editing view and into the reporting area, where Qualtrics lets you build visual summaries of your data. Reports are useful because they turn raw survey responses into charts and widgets that are much easier to read and share. Once you're in Reports, click on the report shown at the top left. In this example, it's labeled Demo. Selecting it opens that report so you can either review it or create a new version based on what you want to visualize. Next, click on New. This allows you to create a fresh report, which is helpful when you want a clean layout instead of changing an existing one. When the name field appears, enter a sample new name for your report. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easier to recognize later, especially if you end up creating multiple reports for different audiences or projects. After naming the report, click Create. Qualtrics will generate the new report workspace for you. At this point, you're ready to begin adding data visualizations. Now click on Insert. This opens the menu where you can add report elements based on survey questions or metadata. To begin with a simple example, select Q1. This is just an example question, but the process is the same for any question you want to visualize. After choosing Q1, click Insert again to place it into the report. You should now see that question added as a visual element, which helps you quickly interpret how respondents answered. To add another data point, click Start Date. This lets you include response timing information, which can be useful if you want to track when submissions were received or identify trends over time. Once Start Date is selected, click Insert again to add it to the report. At this stage, you've created a report and inserted multiple items to begin visualizing your survey data in Qualtrics. As you continue working, keep your report organized by using clear names and choosing only the most relevant questions or fields for your audience. That way, your visualizations stay easy to understand and more useful for analysis.